www.cinquanta.com. Smile for me. So I am going to do a quick video today on how to connect your Etsy store and retrieve orders via Shirtly. So in the past couple of weeks, they had an issue with the connection. It is now fixed. So I'm going to go through that process. I'm signed into my Etsy store over here, and I'm signed into my Shopify store. But in your Shirtly store, pause. Before we start this video again, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, bling, 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 so you know every time I post a video. And hopefully my computer does not act like a bitch today. If it does, y'all just go join my Patreon so I can buy a new computer. Thanks. All right, so back to Shirtly. You go into the dashboard where it says my stores, then you click on stores, and then you have the option to add store. You see I already have my Shopify as I showed you guys before, but now I'm going to click add store so I can add my Etsy. Oh, where did that voice come from? All right, so I'm going to add my Etsy. I'm going to click Etsy, and it gives you this little authorize your Etsy account. Hit continue. And then the authorization is going to pop up. Make sure you are connecting to the right Etsy store, okay? Because you don't want to be connecting to a different store. It says hello at Coins and Connections. This is my Etsy store. So yes, I'm going to allow Shirtly access to get me together. Okay? So we hit allow access, and it should bounce right back into Shirtly. And you should see your Etsy store pop up, okay? So it is here. My Etsy store is connected. Now I don't have to put these orders in manually anymore. So again, I'm going to do the white label part, and I'm just going to put Coins and Connections. So you know, that's good in the hood. So now it is active. I do have two orders that that needs to be processed. But one is shoot, go to the store. I'm trying to go to my orders. Let me just go to the dashboard. I was just trying to go to my orders real quick. So I have two orders that I need to get. So now I'm about to forget how to retrieve the orders. I think it's here. Yeah. Okay. So I am in my orders. And you can go in the awaiting payment dashboard, and I'm going to hit retrieve latest orders. So some people said it was taking Etsy a little bit of time. Some people said it came up right away. Today we're gonna see what happens, because I do have two pending orders. One that will probably not sync with Shirtly, but I know one is a shirt order, because I was gonna go put it in manually, and then I was like, oh well, I know Etsy's working again, so let me check that out. So it says queue for update. Said we will message you when the process is complete. So I am just going to I'm going to leave this here, and then I'm going to put on pause, and I'll come back once the orders are here and you can see it. All right, y'all. So the order retrieval is dun 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 dun. So I have some orders that has been retrieved that have already been processed. So I will end up deleting that, but this is a new order. So I'm gonna go ahead into this one. And I think I have to, I'm not sure if I have to redo. Oh, I have to select a product. So I'm going to use probably going to use the Canvas Bella lady shirt, because this is a woman's shirt. Not Canvas Bella, but I don't know. I thought this one was too small. So let me look at this V-neck. For some reason, I want to do the gliding, but I'm just gonna go ahead and go with that one. Let me look. I'm looking at my phone real quick to make sure I ordered the right shirt because I didn't remember what the person had. It's a medium black shirt. There, gonna save that. And then it's the Hustle Girl shirt. So I'm gonna select the Hustle Girl. Gonna bring it up a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna hit save. And then continue to shipping. Continue to order. And add to cart. And I only like ship my orders on certain days, like I do bulk. So I'll probably process the rest of the orders that I have today and then the rest on Friday. But it did take more than almost an hour to get all the orders processed. So I just want to tell you guys that it did take a minute. Okay. If you're not sure how to delete an order, this order can't be fulfilled by Shirtly because it's a button. So if you want to cancel or delete an order, you just hit edit, and then you go into order info, and then you just hit cancel order. Well, once this comes up, so you just hit cancel order, and it is gone from your all of your orders. Okay, so I hope this video helped you guys out with retrieval and how to go about the process once you have retrieved your orders, and how to ship them, and how to cancel an order. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and until next time, bye.